Good day everyone, it's Edward Duque from AMD Wilson. Today mag-release tayo ng Honda BRV 1.5S. Tamahan niyo ako, check natin itong unit. Natin, nagpa-ceramic coating yung kliyente, ceramic tint, tapos 2 years warranty extended, 17 inches yung mags natin, tapos naka-LED na tayo ng BRL, headlights, fog lights, tas matte black yung views natin with chrome, 1.5 engine liters and CVT transmission yung sa under the hood natin, tapos disc brake, drum brake yung likod, 17 inches yung mags, 210mm yung height natin. Nag-avail yung kliyente natin ng original door visor, side seal plate, tapos meron tayong 5D matting. So yan, hanggang sa likod. So LED rin yung taillights natin, shark fin antenna, tapos meron tayong camera and reverse sensor. Meron tayong tuno cover, so S-variant to. Kumuha yung kliyente natin ng tuno cover and meron tayong organizer. Tapos meron din tayong tinatawag na backseat protector. So 16 kilometers yung mileage ng unit natin. So syempre meron tayong audio controls, vehicle stability assist, tapos all power na yung sa sidings natin. Meron tayong Apple CarPlay, Auto Android, Bluetooth, AM, FM, USB mode, tapos may reverse camera tayo. So yan, unit natin. So tara guys, tawagan na natin yung kliyente. Ready na itong unit natin.
Why do the birds sing so early?